Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about either or neither nor. We can use either and or to express the choice that we have. For example, we can have either noodles or rice for dinner, which means we can choose whether we want to eat noodles or we want to eat rice for dinner. The second one, you can play either piano or violin, which means you can choose whether you want to play violin or you want to play piano. We use neither and nor when we want to say that things or more are not true. For example, neither James or Rachel is going to the meeting, which means James and Rachel are not going to the meeting. Next one. Simon plays neither piano nor guitar. He plays flute, which means Simon doesn't play piano and guitar. He plays what? He plays flute, which is different from piano and guitar. That's all for our today's class. So I hope you can learn something new today, which is either or neither nor.
Terima kasih kerana anda telah like, share dan subscribe serta tekan tombol loceng. Bye, jumpa lagi di video akan datang.